Alright guys, got my vacuum cleaner here. Needs a new belt. I already got the roller off. That off. Got 2 new filters for it. And 2 new belts. So, let's put it together. Well, I got the belt off. It's pretty easy. It's the motor drive right there. It's a bit dirty. Lots of belt shavings because this belt is starting to crack around the edge, and it was squealing, and it's pretty dirty. So got the new belt here. Actually, it's 2 belts because they say they'll only sell it to you in pairs. Well, I got the new belt on, and those about. See if I can. I don't have the old belt or the new belt at the moment, but the old belt was about 1/2 inch to 1 inch longer, at least 1 inch longer than the new belt, and so I just slipped it over the motor drive and put it over the beater, and stuck that corner in and peeled this corner in, and so we'll put this back on, push it, click it in on both sides, and push that way. And then the filters, the first filter, the smaller filter, goes right there and replaces the this foam filter. These are the ones that came with it. And then the second filter goes right there to replace this one. And these new filters, they're $1 more than those foam replacements, and they catch a lot more stuff. So, well, put that back on, and we're done.